Guys, this is New York right here in Bronx, and it's finally the 4th of July in New York. I think I can show you some. But I don't think you can see. So much darkness outside.
¿Y qué está haciendo? Tirándole fotos. Tirándole fotos, pero de lejos.
No, video.
¿Estás sacando video?
For YouTube.
Mira, mira.
Oh.
Ay, dígame por ahí cómo están.
You guys who live in the Bronx or New York? Well, you're lucky to see fireworks. Or you just are some. Okay, that firework was probably sounded like a nuke. Fireworks, why you sound like nukes? Okay. Oh, that's what you not a firework that looks like a kitchen. It just feels like okay. I'll try to do this thing. I don't know. It's my first time. Cause this is what Oh, come on! Oh, it's too dark. Oh, those street lights that you kind of see. It's my screen! I wish I could show you guys. This is so exciting. I'm still a coward. And I hate fireworks. So you know I missed it! How did I know if you're everywhere? Katana Park! Oh no! Shit! Oh, you saw that flash. Well, that was a firework. You know. Okay, I think this is a good view. I don't know. Where's the ice cream trucks? Even though it's summer, it means there has to be over there. I don't know. I wish I had something. History, yes, you can't see it. I mean, poops. Poops. Well, that's it. Well, the ones that are like in Bronx and stuff, like any other. Like someplace in America, you can see fireworks. But when you're somewhere like out of America, like England, like something like that, like Canada, I don't know about Canada because Canada is actually the same thing as New York. Actually, no, come on. I went to a fairy tale, so he made a I'm not showing you. Stupid fireworks, you shouldn't be light enough. They're all the way over there. I think I do it in the park that's right in front of me, because I own the park. I own the park, not my mom. She's in there in the closet. It's very dark in that dark there. She's walking. Oh, she's like sitting. You can't see her because it's very dark. Fireworks, you sound like nukes. I don't know. I'm going to turn the light on. Will you see better? I don't know. I'm going to kill my iPad if you can't see. They're very pretty, but I don't know why you can't. Okay, they're like red ones. I don't know why, but they keep like let's go around my house again. Ouch! What? No. Well, I'm American. I understand because. Okay, just again. American people, or if you actually live in America, you're lucky. Whoever lives outside of America, Unlucky. Make your own fireworks. Oh my fucking god. Do they really have to sound like nukes? Oh, is that like one over there? They're doing. It's like over there, like in some park that's not really far away from us. And so also in Katona Park over here. Actually, they do a lot of fireworks in those kind of parks. In the park in front of me, I don't remember her. Stupid window, you're in the face. Bars in front of my window. Oh, that would be great, but they can't do it. They're all the way over there. Come on! Fireworks suck. Yeah, I think I should clean the camera. Yeah. I don't know. It could be my. Oh, you just saw that cloud thing that looked like Rainbow Dash made a cloud. A cloud. Well, you're seeing most of it. I don't know. Well, you can see in the corners. There was a red one, though. That's a thing. I don't know. You're so lucky, Bronx people. I'm lucky too, because I can see them. I wish I went outside. I'm such a coward. I'm so coward. Well, bye guys. Lucky for the Bronx people, like American people in the United States. Unlucky for the outside people. Okay, bye. Sorry, outside people that are outside of America. You should come to America. It's your fault. Colorful fireworks aren't here. It's your fault for not moving to America. It could be your parents' fault. I don't care if you live by yourself. You should move here. Oh my dear Lord. Oh, that's something you can see, but it was so. It's like firecrackers misplaced themselves and put them into the sky. Okay, bye. Bye, guys!